My name is Dr. Yap Banha, and today we are going to solve a problem from Dr. Yap Banha's problem box. Let's take a look at one of the problems. In Spiky's school, 2/5 of the 5th graders are boys. One day, 28 girls are absent. 3/4 of the children who are present are boys. The question is, how many 5th graders are there in Spiky's school? Why don't you try to solve the problem first before we talk about it? Let's try. Let's see some possible ways to solve this problem. In Spiky's school, some of the 5th graders are boys. Let this model represents the number of 5th graders, and some of them are boys. 2/5 of them are boys. One day, some girls are absent. Can you imagine the diagram? How it changes when some girls are not there? 28 girls are absent. As a result, 3/4 of the children who are present are boys. I suppose the children refer to 5th graders. Can you imagine how the diagram might change when 28 girls are removed from it? And the 28 girls need to be removed from the diagram in such a way that this is now no longer 2/5 but 3/4. How can we get 2/5 to become 3/4? Can you think about that? Is that right? 3/4 is also 6/8. We know that. Is it possible for us to get the 2/5 to become 3/4 or 6/8? Can you imagine how the two parts can become 6 units? Can you think about that? You might be right. How about getting this to become 3 equal units? Would that help us? So when 28 girls are absent, what used to be 2/5 of the children will now be 6/8 of the children. So that's a 6 units. For that to be 6/8, can you imagine how we can continue? How many of the girls do we need to remove from this diagram in order for the orange parts to become 6/8 of the total? These are 6 units. So how many of this represent 28 girls? Can you think about that? If you are correct, you're going to find out that in Spiky's school, there are 60 5th graders. Why don't you try it? See you next time.